Chef Swagger. Yay, let's go, Chef Swagger. Yay, let's go, Chef Swagger.
No time to waste.
Yay.
Let's jump right into what we've got for today. Soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, black pepper, bell peppers in orange, yellow, and red colors, beef, onion, garlic, ginger, broccoli, extra virgin olive oil, light brown sugar. Hello, swaggers. Welcome to my kitchen. Step right with me where flavor meets swag. Chop the broccoli into pieces. Make sure you add the broccoli stem stalk for its health benefits. Today, we will be preparing a delicious and easy beef and broccoli recipe, just like your favorite takeout, but even better and healthier. It will make it easy to slice after keeping the beef in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Please note the thinner you slice, the more tender the beef. Place a large skillet over medium heat. Add oil, then blanch the broccoli for 1 to 2 minutes until bright green and slightly tender. Now let's prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, black pepper, brown sugar, beef broth, garlic, and ginger. Set aside. This will thicken nicely when cooked. Set aside once the broccoli turns bright green and slightly tender. Mix well with warm water until the sauce ingredients are dissolved and blended together. Then set aside. Using the same large skillet, add oil. Add onions, then add all of the sliced beef. Sauté about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Add salt to taste. Do you know broccoli stems offer numerous benefits, including a high fiber content for digestive health and a rich source of vitamins like C, K, and folate, which support the immune system, bone health, and cell function. They also contain antioxidants, such as sulforaphane, that may help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Now time to add the broccoli.
Ooh.
Chef Swagger didn't come to play today. This beef and broccoli is throwing flavor punches. The tender beef, crisp broccoli, and that glossy sauce says it all. You can serve hot beef and broccoli with steamed white rice, friend rice, or noodles. Remember to top it with toasted sesame seeds or green onions for extra flavor. Hold up, is this dish homemade or straight out of a 5-star restaurant? I'm lost at this moment. That's a too little red wine. Somebody's trying to act disciplined tonight by not getting drunk. Chef Swagger's on his best behavior. Whoa, that's definitely hot on the tongue. You noticed it too, right? Sorry, Chef Swagger, but this is too delicious to resist. Not even the heat can stop me from enjoying this masterpiece. This dish is a plate licker for sure. Beef tender, broccoli popping, and flavor in full control. Watch closely. When you catch Chef Swagger gulping that red wine fast, just know his tongue's on fire. As mentioned earlier, you can enjoy this flavorful meal with steamed rice, fried rice, or noodles. The choice is yours. Calm down, Chef Swagger. I checked. There's still no surgery for burnt tongues. Let's not be the first to need one.